Chelsea! How you see this match?
I'm very happy. Like I'm elated. This is super dope. I'm very happy, you know. I've been telling her before. I said this match, the one where they play, where they beat them. Now just training they can't do. Now this one we don't see the reality. What do they call football?
How you see the match now?
I saw a different animal entirely. I swear to God, I swear. I mean, I think the last time I spoke here, I was telling you about the way we have been playing, and I said we are going to be our own worst enemy. If we turn up, we are going to be unstoppable. But if we played like we have been playing our last few games,
yes, it's okay. I'm happy for them. I think for today they play enough to win. You understand? If history is anything to go by, Chelsea is supposed to win, and they have won. Understand? Guardiola.
This is a game between the best 11 and the best tacticians. Guardiola as a team has the best that the whole world can offer. But Chelsea team come with technicality and plan. And the plan is frustrate every move of Guardiola.
No be small thing, eh? The thing be say the match, they really deserve them. Because in a way, I felt disappointed that Chelsea are the team that we are underdog in this match. But come to think of it, they actually understood Guardiola plan.
It has been a long time we won this guy. I beg a long time we won this. It's just so fantastic. Everybody up there we are performing so as in their performance. I expect my expectation. I was very no. This is peace man pattern of fucking for Man City.
No, the match was actually a good one. You know, we've always said this in that Guardiola, he tends to overthink things. You know, on the positive light, when they previously played Chelsea with two attacking players, in Jesus and Agora, I was hoping that this match he will not use them so that he could win. Because his normal pattern when he wants to win a game, he doesn't use strikers.
Guardiola should have known that Chelsea was not going to play easy. They lost FA Cup final already. You don't expect them to go easy. The coach has a history of not winning final. You expect him to play something different, and he has done that, and that is okay. So it's remaining.
You know, if you come to Champions League football, Chelsea they get that mentality. Then go read the opponent to see how they will use all their tactical means to make sure the match dey okay.
Chelsea realize one thing: Guardiola is not a patient coach. He's a coach that always been in a hurry to score. If Guardiola cannot score within 25 minutes, that is the end. And Chelsea capitalize on them, and we make use of the only chance whereby the defense of Man City flop, lose focus. And I thank God that my guy is able to convert it.
Unfortunately for Man City, they lost De Bruyne. Assuming he was there, things would have been different.
But at the starting level for Guardiola, he did not start with the defensive midfield. I think that was the factor here. You can see Kante was just running around.
The problem is, I think he has an injury. This Rodri of the guy has an injury. So that's the only problem he had in that defense.
What I was expecting, it was what I met, as in I saw. I know he's not going to defend against Chelsea. He's going to come. I know that is going to give us an edge over there. You understand? So I know Chelsea will play attacking football. We are not going to defend, and we are not going to sit at the midfield. So we attack so well, and as the results came out tonight, I know Timo Werner is going to lose, but I know we're going to win.
But unfortunately, I don't know what came over him. You were starting this match without a defensive midfielder, and you had to put De Bruyne as a 10. Come on, it won't work for you. It won't work.
I think today I now realize that this match has actually been what has been distracting the guys. You know, I can actually say that because today every single player, both the guys that were subbed in and everybody turned up, everybody gave their all. I mean, kudos.
For a Man City that should have played something different, but they went on to play what they used to play, and the coach studied them and acted differently.
This one sweets me. It sweets me because they don't make my night okay. They don't make my night okay. Up Chelsea. I said it before. If you go to that one where the first interview where I do, I tell you now. I said Chelsea will carry this score. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm a Barca fan,
but 7 goals for Chelsea. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I told people earlier on, Guardiola is a coach that doesn't have respect for other teams. He believes in his own strength, but fails to study and observe the strength and the weakness of his opponent.
This guy, Fernandinho, is very slow in midfield. So he needs someone who can be fast and eventually it's a lucky day for Chelsea. So congratulations.
With Mason Mount, I'm telling you, I do tell you, with Mason Mount in my squad and that Rudiger at the back, I'm going to win.
What a match!
And he said,
what a match!
What a match!
Who they breathe?
Who they breathe? Tell them!
I want to only Baba Chelsea!
Baba Chelsea! Now be this.
I see the match now.
It's good now. Me and they tell everybody say this match we go win.
But tactically, he overdid things to and it backfired. And I love one thing about Tuchel in Chelsea. You know, when he was at PSG, there was this fear of let me not offend powers that be. But in Chelsea, there was no fear of let me offend powers that be. So he came out and he played them what I call kick and follow. And Man City fell for it and they got punished. You understand?
Do you think Guardiola make a mistake by not playing defensive midfielder?
Guardiola his first mistake is not playing any direct attacker in the first team. Because the problem was that Chelsea defense was too comfortable for my liking. You are supposed to put an attacker and give him an assignment.
So I feel the man read and they both played mind games. You understand? Chelsea were saying Kante and Mendy were not fit and Man City on their part they were having injury issues and all of a sudden they all brought their players out this morning and all that. So they played the mind games and eventually it paid off for Chelsea. And I love one thing.
That is why you could say that I have the best 11 that I can put in without considering it. Forget it. The only department that Guardiola misses is to play without a natural 9. That is where the problem is. Not that they no create chance, they created chances, but there's nobody standing in the box to convert the goals.
Tell me, sir.
The assignment is this defense is too organized. You understand? What you do there, you go there and disorganize them. But he has no any direct attacker. As I there was nobody to do such assignment. So what do you expect? And Chelsea did it, and that is all. I'm happy for them. Up Chelsea.
Yeah, thank you very much. Congratulations.
The young stars at Chelsea, they played fearlessly. You know, they played that they actually won something and they actually went for it and they got it. So kudos to.
If you're just watching, this is Fans Corner NG. It's a platform for football fans to be heard. Oh yeah. Subscribe. Dijo Majo. Chelsea, up Nigeria, made in Nigeria special.